Hola, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and today I'm going to make a card inspired in the Indian movies, Bollywood. I love those movies and I love all the colors that they have in those movies, and they are very bright and very shiny colors, very bright, vibrant colors. I don't know if I said that right, but it's okay. You understand what I'm trying to say. I print this shape from the internet because I don't have any die cut that looks like this exactly, and I'm going to cut this window shape or door shape very carefully because I want to use the positive part in another card. I'm just going to use the negative part with the frame to my card. After I cut it, I'm going to glue a piece of purple paper, glitter purple paper. You can use also orange or light green or yellow because those are the most colors that I see in the movies they use. And they use very shiny and yellows and orange. But I decided to go with purple for two reasons. I want to combine with pink, and I want to and I don't have glitter paper in orange or yellow. I need to get me some. I'm going to glue the panel with the opening into the glitter paper with double-sided stick tape. This is the best way to glue it in the glitter because the glitter have texture, and when you apply glue it takes too long for the glue to dry or glue, and even when it glues down, when it dry and everything, it can be peeled very easily. With the double-sided stick tape that doesn't happen. After that, I glue this to the glitter paper, or the glitter paper to this, I'm going to add I'm going to add foil tape. This foil tape is gold, and here look, it isn't have like the rainbow colors, but it's mostly gold. Well, it's the gold color. I wish it was gold. I don't cut the corners to the border of the paper, just fold it to the back. It's better because these are good, but they tend sometimes to how you say that, to lift off the paper. It's for that I press it with my bone folder. I'm going to use this die cut, the made tassels, and I'm going to cut in a different color of felt, and I'm going to cut, after this is the whole size that you see here, I'm going to cut it in half, and the half I'm going to cut it in half again. That means I'm using the quarter of this real side of the die cut. When I'm finished doing this, I'm going to use a toothpick to fold it around, and I'm going to add just the glue in the last little piece that is there, like that. You see, I didn't glue anything else because that way, if I glue the whole thing, I can pull off my toothpick. I'm going to do this with all of them, and after that I'm going to grab golden thread that is used mostly for cross stitch, and I'm going to thread them in that like a line, because I'm going to glue this in top of my card. Is for this I decided not to add glue in the whole thing, because that way the needle is going to be difficult to go through. Plus, when you threaten it like that, you are going to have them secure. They're not going to unfold. I'm going to use all of this. Oh, I didn't use the pink one, and sad because I didn't get to use the pink one. It's so pretty, but it's okay. I used the blue and the orange for the all around this shape, this door shape. And after that, I'm going to glue the tassel, how do you call that thing that go from side to side? Banner, the tassel banner in the top of the car, using double-sided stick tape to secure it better. When I'm finished gluing everything, I'm going to start decorating the middle of the car. I'm going to add the word congrats. I'm going to cut 3 in white cardstock and 1 in gold paper. This gold paper came in a kit, and I don't remember which one because it's so beautiful. I wish I remember because I want to buy more. It's gold in both sides. I don't remember. I wish I can, but I don't. But I'm going to look in the internet to see if I found it. If I do, I will put the link in the description because it's so beautiful. Like I say, I glued 3 in white and 1 in gold. And I'm going to glue it with glossy accent, and I glue immediately to the glitter. Like I say, I don't use glue because the glitter have a lot of texture and the glue takes too long to dry. The elephant is in felt, and I glue it with fabric glue. I'm going to decorate the elephant using glitter gel pens, and also I'm going to add the eye, and I use first the embellisher in black, but it was absorbed by the fabric, and I tried with Nubo drops and also was absorbed by the fabric, and I was frustrated, and in the end I didn't like too much the elephant, but I keep it until I find a different way to do it. I decorate the whole elephant with the glitter gel pens, and I add the heart in the middle. And there I still don't like the eye of the elephant. I'm going to add fabric glue to the golden thread, and I'm going to start moving the tassels. And you just add a little bit of the glue and place the tassel where is that drop of glue. That way they don't move their places. Plus the glue is going to dry clear. I adding a little jewel in gold to the eye to see it look better. Now it look the eye have like eyeliner all around, or maybe somebody punched the elephant. but I just let it be. I cut the excess of the thread in the back, and I'm going to add a lot of double-sided stick tape in the whole background to glue it to my other panel. That is this paper in red and orange. After I glue that, I'm going to glue to another paper to make another frame in bright pink. And you will see that after I glue it in the pink, I'm going to add in the one that is orange, I'm going to add sequins, a small sequins in green. While the sequins are drying, I'm going to decorate the inside of my car. I'm going just to add the word woohoo in gold, and I'm going to glue 2 lamps, but I don't want the lamps to be, I can glue it at the bottom of the car, but I was thinking of those Indian or Moroccan lamps. They are hanging from the ceiling, and I don't want them to be flying. Then I'm going to poke with a small tiny needle right in the fall of the car, and I'm going to pull the excess thread to the front of the car because my panel is not there. I decorate this first, and then I'm going to glue my panel. When you do this, it's better for you is you pull the thread while you glue the lamp, because it's going to look more straight. My lamps are like a little bit crooked compared to the thread because I just glued them down without putting my thread in the top. Then I didn't have like a placement for the lamps. But you're going to see here that I just pulled the thread to the front of the car and add a little bit of tape. Then this is going to be it's going to be hiding by the car panel. And I'm going to cut also 4 more lamps in color acetate in orange, yellow, green and pink, and I'm going to add the glass color that these lamps normally have. And after that I'm going to glue my woohoo sentiment. As you see here, I'm filling my sticker maker with the little pieces of acetate to glue them down, because this is the best way to do it, that you cannot notice the glue. Because if you put well, I never tried something so small with glossy accent. Maybe it covers everything and you can notice either, and because it's clear and shiny, it doesn't going to bother. But I didn't try that. I just tried my sticker maker. Now that everything inside is ready, I'm going to glue my car panel to my car face, and you see the thread is hiding. And I'm going to show you what is notable on the thread is nothing. You see, it's just a tiny gold thread. You can do this also with clear ones if you want to hang something that it move inside the car and it won't be notable. After that, my car is pretty much done, and thank you for watching my videos. Until next car, goodbye.